going to show you how to simplify 5y multiplied by the square root of y to the power of 6 divided by 64. So the first thing I'm going to do is replace the square root symbol as raising to the power of half instead, as it's the same thing, and it will help us avoid a common mistake, which is when students try to square root this power here at the beginning, okay, which would be incorrect. So the next step is to multiply the powers inside the brackets with the power outside the bracket. So 6 multiplied by a half is the same thing as finding half of 6, which is 3. So the numerator of that fraction would become y cubed. And for the denominator, if you're working out 64 raised to the power of a half, well, it's just the same as before, the square root of 64, which is 8. Okay, so now what we have to do is multiply 5y by the numerator of the fraction. So 5y multiplied by y cubed. And we're dividing all of this by 8. Okay, so the denominator stays the same. 5y, if you like, is the same thing as 5y over 1. And 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, which is why it doesn't change. Okay, so since we have the same base number here, y, we have to add the powers together since we're multiplying. Okay, so the power here on the first y is just 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So the numerator becomes 5y to the power of 4. And finally, the denominator is still 8. So that is the final answer.